Oh no, condenser is badly damaged. Radiator is bent. Front bar is damaged.
My best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test.
So to remove the Celica's bumper, you need to remove this 10mm bolt 1. You need to remove this plastic bit, and you need to remove this bolt as well. So I think there are around 4 10mm bolts on top, and there are 2 bolts, one bolt here under the wheel arch, and there's another bolt under this wheel arch. You need to remove this wheel arch. Yeah, so let's get cracking.
That I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thought.
Next we have to go under the wheel wells. So that's it guys, I got the bumper off. Now here we can see the damage more closely. Oh yeah, this front bar is damaged, so we do need to replace this. Oh no, condenser is badly damaged. Okay, let's remove the headlights and this air filter box, so then the damage is a bit more clear. So to remove the headlights, we have 3 10mm bolts, one 10mm here, one here, and one there. Now before removing the headlight, you need to remove these connectors. There is one connector here, 1 and 2, low beam and the high beam, I guess. It should come out quite easily. Oh wait, there are some more connectors here. There are 2 more connectors actually. So 4 connectors in total. Yeah, got it. So got the headlight out.
First, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't.
I need to remove this as well.
That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Now next let's remove the air filter assembly. You need to remove this 10mm bolt. This thing is broken actually, that's why it wasn't coming out. Anyway, that's over. We'll remove this 10mm bolt here. It's a pretty long bolt. There's this hose which you need to remove. It's a tiny hose. You need to remove this 10mm bolt as well to get the air filter housing out. So there was one bolt here and one bolt here. There's a connector here which you need to remove as well, a blue connector. Just push the tab inside and pull it out. Just one hose and that one blue connector which you need to remove. Oh, there's a tiny blue hose here. There's a tiny blue connection here as well, which you need to remove. So two tiny hoses. One hose here and this one connector which you need to remove. The airbox filter comes out. When I turn on the AC, the fan is hitting the radiator, and this is exactly where it was. Look, when I try to spin the fans, it gets stuck over there. See, it's hitting there. It's hitting that bent spot. The fan is working fine, but I think I need to change the radiator. The radiator is bent. Yeah, so definitely we need to change the radiator. The condenser is actually pretty badly bent. Need to change this frame. So I'm going to end my vlog on that sad note. I hope you guys found this vlog informative and useful. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye guys.